Have you ever felt like your brain is a computer with 17 tabs open and 16 of them are frozen? This is similar to the world of burnout. It's like trying to administer a dose of IV fluids from an empty bag. You end up with a lot of frustration, no hydration, and everyone around you is irritable. Imagine your career as a ship sailing through rough waters. Burnout is the storm that threatens to sink your vessel. But remember, even the worst storm has an eye of calm at the center. Our goal today is to navigate through the storm and find that calm, keeping your ship steady. Burnout isn't just about feeling exhausted. It's a complex issue that affects not only you as a healthcare professional, but also your patients. According to Nurse.com, nurse burnout directly impacts patient care. Tired, overworked, overwhelmed healthcare professionals can lead to mistakes, which can compromise patient safety. It's like trying to perform surgery with dull instruments. The precision and the effectiveness just aren't there. Now let's take a moment to think about your colleagues in the medical field, especially doctors who face their own struggles. As highlighted by Kevin MD, the pressures of prescribing opioids can lead some physicians down a path to addiction. It's a sobering reminder that burnout doesn't discriminate. It affects us all, regardless of your role or your specialty. Initially, we talked about a ship. Consider this. Every time you allow burnout to take hold, you're adding more weight to your ship, making it harder to steer. You need to lighten the load and find ways to keep your vessel floating. This is where self-care and supportive systems come into play. So how do you combat burnout and keep your ship on course? First, prioritize self-care. It might sound cliche, but you can't pour from an empty cup or an empty IV bag for that matter. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Second, build a support network. Talk to your peers, share your experiences, and lean on one another. We're all in this together, and together we can weather the storm. As you navigate the challenging waters of your profession, ask yourself, how can you create an environment where every healthcare professional feels supported, valued, and equipped to provide the best care possible? Remember to combat burnout. Support each other. Self-care matters. For you to be a success, let's sail through the storm, find your calm, and ensure your ship reaches the shores of success.